about the girls' shower always being flooded and gross, and so I was really lucky because my first year they just built the new showers, so I never had to deal with the ugly old ones. I expected it to be a fantastic trip and a great community building experience, but I didn't realize that it was going to be as wonderful as it was.
Been working for weeks and weeks, you think it's never gonna be finished, but now I've got some good news that it's almost nearly done. You say I said it 10 times and you believed it all along, except for that last time when you said, I've heard that all before, but it's nearly done, it's nearly done, I mean it this time, it's nearly done, really this time, it's nearly done, it's almost nearly done. I'll have it next week.
That has affected me in realizing that there are towns like Philippines, West Virginia, that need help with making their lives easier, because it's so different from Washington, D.C. It's just a small little town, and they use what they have there, and, D.C. is just a huge city, and, we can get anything from anywhere. So that's helped me realize that there's just towns like that need a little more help.
A lot of fun, and I think I learned a lot about myself, and I think my favorite moment would have to be when Andrew broke the toilet, and well, I wasn't really there when it happened, but it was at our work site, and it was really funny because everyone made fun of him for the rest of the week.
Most enemies find an edge can have a good time. There's great programs. Committees are programs and worship and construction and food. And everyone can kind of find where they fit in and what else to on the side. I recommend
Very well, my lovely Dinah, 1,000 times adieu. For we're going away from the holy ground, and the girls that we love true. We will sail the salt sea over, and return for sure to see again the girls we love and the holy ground once more. You're the girl I do adore, but still I live in hope to see the holy ground once more. And now the storm is raging, and we are far from shore.